My name is Noah. I work in teacher aid library. Bagat Pickaninny. The work is good, very nice with the library. Children come here to the library every week. Nice, they like to see the library. And come to learn about Christmas and the Christmas tree at the back. Teacher Loveline helped me with the library.
Some of them are hearing and speaking. We lend them signs and at the same time we talk.
The Buklong Pickaninny has helped develop Noah and Loveline in a very special way. Buklong Pickaninny has in a very big way helped develop both of them personally, and all the help that Yvonne and others that they come every day to support each week have made them in a way to create an atmosphere to develop not only the children but the teachers, the librarian, the assistant, and everybody has helped, and I think the school has benefited too from the Buklong Pickaninny. So we would like to extend our, for me as a supervisor, commend Buklong Pickaninny for their support, and all those who are behind the Buklong Pickaninny staff for their heart they have given in cash and kind in their own time to have used to come around and help, had done great. And we would like to encourage for the continuity of the support to have built everyone in this place, especially the Special Education Resource Center here at HOHOLA. Thank you so much.